Hey guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com bringing you my last Watchgang Platinum subscription for December 2017. As you guys saw previously, today I released a video of that out of order iron bridge that I had been looking for, as well as told you guys how you guys can win one of my watches. In order to do that though, guys, remember you have to be a subscriber, so hit that subscribe button down there in the right hand corner of the screen. Now, let's talk a little bit about this watch. As many of you know, if you've watched any of the previous videos, I had been waiting on this one, but I've been traveling over the past week, so I was not home to get this watch. Showed up today, and I'm back. I want to get this guy opened and take a look and see what we got. Problem being is I don't have a whole lot more time than just take a look at it real quick, but I promise you guys I will come back this coming weekend and take a deeper dive into whatever we got and see what it's all about. But in the short term, let's get this guy open and see what we have. Now, as I mentioned, each month I get 2 Watchgang Platinum subscriptions from Watchgang.com. This is my second one. The previous one that I got that showed up before the holidays was the Sauvette that I previously reviewed. So, got it open here. We have a box with packing peanuts. Let's see if I can get this guy open without making a complete and utter mess, and evidently I opened it up on the wrong side, so I'm going to have peanuts everywhere. And see if there's anything else in the box, and they're not. So, packing peanuts. Got our December partner cards, and it looks like we have a Swiss military watch. So the major problem with doing quick unboxing videos like this is that, technically speaking, you guys get to see the watch before I do. So we'll open this guy up and see what we have. This packing material that I always get stuck with. Nice black, feels like a hard cased box. And we'll open it up. And son of a bitch, I have a silicone band diver. Now, I say son of a bitch because I haven't been getting my preferences lately for watch bands, so I'm not quite sure what that's all about, but don't know anything about this watch. Really sharp looking to begin with, so I don't know. We'll see what we can find out about it, and I'll come back this weekend and do a deeper dive into it. Anyway, guys, that was my unboxing of my Watchgang Platinum subscription for December 2017. The last Watchgang Platinum that I will have received for 2017. Don't forget, guys, you can always follow us on Instagram at Instagram/WatchAddictions, and you can always hit me up at the website at MyWatchAddiction.com. Guys, if you have any questions, post them up in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have any interest whatsoever in this content. But guys, thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you this weekend with a deeper dive into this Swiss military watch. Thank you.